Mahaganathipataye Namaha. Good morning. Good morning. Everyone tell your name and section. Write down your name and section. Very good. Good morning to all. No, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How many are joined till now? Total 73 students. Na? How many of you are joined till now? Both the classes together 72, 73 students. Only 18. 3 minutes over. Three minutes over. Yes. Yesterday we are discussing about linear equation in two variable. The general form of linear equation in two variable is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers. A, B, C are real numbers, and such that A and B must not be equal to 0. A and B must not be equal to 0. What happens if C is 0? If C is 0, what happens? We'll be remaining with ax plus by is equal to 0, which is also called as a linear equation in two variable. What happens if A is equal to 0? If A 0, will be remaining with by plus c is equal to 0, which is a linear equation in one variable. Which is a linear equation in one variable. In the same way, if B is 0 and we'll be left with ax plus c is equal to 0, which is also a linear equation in one variable. That's why this condition. In this general form, a and b must not be equal to 0. C may be 0 or may not be 0, no problem in that, but a and b must not be equal to 0. So this is what we call general form of a linear equation in two variable. So what we are going to learn in this chapter, I told you 3 points yesterday. One is forming linear equation in two variable in different situations. When different situations arises or given to us, okay na, we need to form a linear equation in two variable and we need to write it in the general form. That is the first task we are going to do. And the second task, we need to find out the solutions for the given linear equation. Solution is an ordered pair which contains x value as well as y value. Together we will call it as a solution. So every linear equation in two variable is having infinite number of solutions. Okay na? Every linear equation in two variable will have infinite number of solutions. For example, x plus y is equal to 10 is a linear equation in two variable. How many solutions this equation is having? We can say many. 4 comma 6, 6 comma 4, 2 comma 8, 8 comma 2, 1 comma 9, 9 comma 1, negative 2 comma 12, 12 comma negative 2, and so on. We can say all these are solutions to this equation, and we can say many more also. Okay na? So second point, we are going to find out solutions for the given linear equation in two variable, which is very important. Okay na? And third point, drawing the graph of a linear equation in two variable. These are the three main concepts that we'll learn in this chapter. And this chapter is there for you for PA2. Okay na? So your PA2 syllabus is, one is triangle, congruency of triangle, and second one is linear equation in two variable. Okay na? So let us go to the first concept. What is the first concept, children? Forming a linear equation in two variable in the given situation. Okay na? Forming a linear equation in two variable in the given situation and writing it into the general form. Okay? First question. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variable to represent this statement. Cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. This is the situation. Cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Using this, we need to write a linear equation in two variable and we need to keep it in the general form. Yeah. Somebody says 2x is equal to y. What is x and what is y here? Anyone? What is x and what is y? I got two answers. 2x is equal to y. But what is x and what is y? Charit Jain says x is notebook, y is pen. Is that right? X notebook, y pen. Is that right, Charit? Cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. Now what is x and what is y? Please tell. X cost of notebook, y cost of pen. X is pen, y is book. No. No. Yes. X is cost of, that is also wrong. X is pen and y is book. No, that is wrong. So what is correct statement? X is pen, y is book. Wrong. X is book, y pen. Wrong, ra? Even X pen, y book, that is also wrong. Advik says X is cost of book. ఇప్పుడు book cost ఎక్కువ pen కంటే. Only 26 students are joined. Very good. Out of 73. No, X is cost of pen. X pen y book అంటారు ఎవరా? What is that? X pen y book, wrong. X is cost of pen and y is cost of book. Y is cost of book. It is given cost of book is twice the cost of pen. Clearly given. Cost of a book is twice the cost of a pen. That means y is equal to 2x. Y is equal to 2x. Now, we need to write it in the general form, na? What is general form? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. The general form is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. That means this one we can write it as 2x minus 1y plus 0 is equal to 0. 2x minus 1y plus 0 is equal to 0. So here a will be 2, b is negative 1, c 0. a 2, b negative 1, c 0. Okay na? So you have to represent the given situation in the general form and you have to write out the values of a and b. Okay na? Next question. What is the next question? Express the following. Dy is equal to 9.35 bar. Okay. We need to write it in the general form. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. We need to express this one in the general form. And after that we need to write down the values of a, b, c. So what is your answer, children? What is a, what is b, what is c? A2, B3, C 9.35. Is that right? First express in the general form. Express in the general form first. General form. Express it in the general form. 2x plus 3y plus negative 9.35 bar is equal to 0. You are not expressing in the general form, just writing the a value, b value, c value. Now write down a value, b value and c value negative 3.5 bar. C value is negative 3.5 bar. Okay. Next one. This one, express in the general form. First express in the general form, then write ABC. Express it in the general form, then write the values ABC. How to do this? Now, first take out the LCM. LCM is 5. Here you will get 5x minus y minus 50 is equal to 0. This will go to that side. 5x minus y minus 50 is equal to 0 into 5. So 5x plus negative 1 times y plus negative 50 is equal to 5 zeros are 0. Okay na? Now what is A, what is B, what is C, children? What is ABC? What is ABC now? ABC A 5, B negative 1, C negative 50. A 5, B negative 1, C negative 50. Okay na? One more question. X is equal to 3y. X is equal to 3y. Express this one in the general form and write ABC values. Express it in the general form, write ABC values. A1, B minus 3, C 0. General form, X minus 3y is equal to 0. X plus negative 3y plus 0 is equal to 0. Now A will be 1, B negative 3, C 0. Okay na? Next one. 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. General form. You are not writing general form, bra. Simply writing ABC values. What is the general form of it? 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Write it in the general form. 3x plus 2y. How 2y? Only Aniket is saying, remaining are sitting quietly. Pranil, where is equal to 0? No answers from 9th B. 9th B students are left total 3x plus 0y plus 2 is equal to 0. Where A3, B0, C2. A3, B0, C2. Okay, na? How many students are there from 9th B? How many students are there from 9th B? One. SS Satvik 1. 27 remaining. 27 watching. In that, how many from 9th B? Only one? Two. Eight. Only 8. I need to give a report to your sir. Hey, Pranith, how many times you will send the message? It was counted already. Pranith, Chaitanya Charit already counted. Abhi also counted already. We are going to find out 4 solutions for this equation. Now we are going to find out 4 solutions for this equation. Okay. What do you mean by solution? Values for x and y so that which satisfies this equation. Values find out am I audible now? Hello, am I audible? Yeah. How to find out the solutions? Yeah, is it okay now? Is it okay now, children? Yeah. What we have to do? First, keep y on LHS and send x to RHS from the given equation. So 2y is equal to 6x. Now y is 6x minus 2. 6x minus 6 minus x by 2. Okay na? Now make a table like this. Keep x value, y value and write down any 4 solutions. Okay. Okay na? Now give different values for x, and after inserting that value here, whatever remaining on the numerator, it should be divisible by 2. It should be divisible by 2. See, if I give 1 in the place of x, 6 minus 1 by 2, 5 by 2. 5 is not divisible by 2 na? 5 is not divisible by 2 na? So you cannot give such values. Okay? You can give it, but when you are drawing the graph, it is difficult to plot the points. So best, whatever the value we will get here on the numerator, it should be divisible by 2 in this problem. Okay na? Hey, why you people are talking within you? Just listen to me. Don't talk within you. And no messages. Just you need to give answers, that's all. Now once again, give different values for x. I am giving 0. I am giving 0. 6 minus 0, 6. 6 by 2, 3. I am giving 1. 6 minus 1, 5. 5 by 2, which is 2.5. I am giving 2. 6 minus 2, 4. 4 by 2, 2. I am giving negative 2. Negative 2. 6 minus 2 by 2. 8 by 2, 4. So 0 comma 3, 1 comma 2.5, 2 comma 2, negative 2 comma 4 are solutions. These are the solutions. Okay na? Okay. Just give different values for x. They may be negatives, they may be positives, whatever it may be. For every x value, you will get one y. You will get one y. So x comma y is a solution. 0 comma 3, 1 comma 2.5, 2 comma 2, negative 2 comma 4. We can call them as solutions. Okay na? We will see one more problem. One more. 4x plus 3y is equal to 12. Find 4 solutions for this equation. 4x plus 3y is equal to 12. Find 4 solutions for this. So what I told, always keep y, variable y in LHS and send variable x to RHS. 3y is equal to 12 minus 4x. And then y will be 12 minus 4x by 3. Now give different values for x. You will get different values for y. Give different values for x. You will get different values for y. Now What will keep in the place of x? 1 comma 1. How it will be 1 comma 1? So first keep 0. Keep 0 in the place of x. What we will get? 4 zeros, 0, 12 by 12 minus 0, 0. So 12 by 12 minus 0, 12. 12 by 3, 4. So one solution is 0 comma 4. One solution is 0 comma 4. Okay na? Now tell me the second one. Anyone? x1 1, right. 4 ones are 4. 12 minus 4, 8. 8 by 3. 8 by 3, another solution. Next. Keep negative 2, for example, negative 2. Negative 2. Okay. What will be the y value? If x is negative 2, what is y? If x is negative 2, what is y? Negative 2 I am saying. 12 minus 4 times of negative 2 by 3. How much it will be? How it 8 by 4 by 3, right? Aniket? X negative 2, how it will be 4 by 3? 12 plus 8 by 3. 20 by 3. It is 20 by 3. How 4 by 3? Next one. Keep x is equal to positive 2. X positive 2. Yeah, no problem. When you are doing the graph, you have to see the number is divisible by. Call వచ్చిందా? Am I audible, children? Now 2. 12 minus 4. So the solutions are 1 comma 8 by 3, negative 2 comma 20 by 3, 2 comma 4 by 3. So I said when it is when you are drawing the graph, am I audible, children? Hello? Am I audible? Who is this triple nine ra? This triple nine is sending the same message again and again. Note down his mail ID or anything and give it to me tomorrow. Shivaksai, why you are sending same message again and again? Yeah, one more question. 2x plus 5y is equal to 0. Find out four solutions. Find out four solutions for this question. 2x plus 5y is equal to 0. Okay, I said that when you are doing the graph, when you are drawing the graph, then the number, whatever the number you will get on the numerator, it should be divisible by 3 so that you can plot the points easily. If it is 8 by 3, how can you plot? 2 comma 8 by 3, how can you plot? You cannot do it now. But finding only solutions, no need. You can find out any two solutions, no problem. For finding only solutions. But it is in the case of graph, when you are doing a graph work, then you have to get x value, y value only integers. Okay, na? Now, go ahead with this. 5y is equal to 0 minus 2x. 5y is equal to 0 minus 2x. Then y is equal to minus 2x by 5. Now find out the solutions, children. Find out the solutions. Any four solutions? Fast. You can keep x0, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2. If x is 0, what is y? Y is also 0. If x is 0, y is also 0 because minus 2 into 0, 0, 0 by 5, 0. Now, if x is 1, then y is negative 2 by 5. If x is 1, y is negative 2 by 5. If x is negative 1, y 2 by 5. X is my negative 1, y will be 2 by 5. Okay, now what if x is 2? What if x is 2? If x value 2, then y will be negative 4 by 5. Y will be negative 4 by 5. And if x is negative 2, then what is y? 4 by 5. Now what are the solutions? 0 comma 0, 1 comma negative 2 by 5, negative 1 comma 2 by 5, 2 comma negative 4 by 5, negative 2 comma 4 by 5. As I told you that we can find out infinite number of solutions for any linear equation in two variable. Okay. Next, next one, I'll give you an equation and I'll give some solutions. You have to check whether they are the solutions of that equation or not. Equation is x minus 2y is equal to 4, and I'll give you some ordered pairs 0, 2, 2, 0, 4, 0,